Today is Tuesday, Parashat Vayechi. Yesterday we spoke about the blessing that Yaakov gave to his grandchildren, Ephraim and Menashe, and we explained how when we bless our children, we say, "May Hashem make you like Ephraim and Menashe." Today we speak about the blessing that Yaakov gives to each one of the tribes. And before he begins the blessings, he uses the word he'asefu, which means gather and come together. And a very important concept associated with blessings is unity, is togetherness. When there is discord, it's like you have a bottle that has a hole in it and you fill it up with water, the water goes out of the bottle. So the best container for blessings is peace, is togetherness, is unity. So as he begins to give him blessings to each one of his sons of the tribes, he says the word asfu, gather and come together. But when he blesses them, he doesn't bless them as one general blessing for all of them at one time. He blesses them individually to really deliver a very important message. Each person has a unique mission in this world. Each person is unique in his own way. Each person has his own talents that Hashem has granted him. And each person can use those talents and those abilities to the best of their potential to do good, to serve Hashem. And as Yaakov blesses each one individually, he indicates at the same time the importance of individuality in the sense of each person being who Hashem meant for him to be, so to speak. I could speak about it like it's been explained, like the spokes on a wheel. They each go in a separate direction, but they form together the whole. So, just for example, Zevulun, the tribe of Zevulun, was very good at business, as going to faraway places, doing merchandise, bringing by ship, etc. But on the other hand, Issachar, the brother, was a person who sat and learned in a study hall, all day. So we needed both. We need the person who's there to study and to be a guide in terms of the spirituality and in terms of teaching others. And we need the person who has sort of like a natural talent for business, to be out there, to earn a living and to have enough to be able to support his brother Issachar. And then on, you have the kingship of Yehuda, who was a natural leader, a person who did certain things that gave him the characteristic of a leader, and he was able to, he had the charisma to lead others and to say, basically, follow me in this direction. So not everybody has that talent or those abilities. So what Yaakov does with these blessings is not only he wishes them the best, but he tells them also what they are individually most adept at and what they should know, what their qualities are. And that's a great blessing when you know what is your mission, what is you are potentially best at, that you should use those talents to develop them and to do the best you can to use them to serve Hashem and to do positive things in the world. So that's one of the ideas of blessings. But then the other concept is that Hashem granted us, and especially the righteous people, the ability to bless others. So through our words of blessing, we can sort of like encourage or bring about the potential of blessing into the world or into that person. But part of the blessing, and a very important aspect, is knowing what you're best at and what is your potential that Hashem has intended for you to use to serve Him and to do good in the world. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.